Hey you guys, it's your girl Star and welcome back to my channel. You read the title of today's video, you guys already know what it's about. I am doing Kim Kardashian's SKIMS Waist Trainer review. So let's get with the video. Guys, Kim Kardashian Waist Trainer review. I'm probably gonna put the pictures either side. Now, I am a fan of Kim Kardashian, okay? I'm a huge fan of Kim Kardashian, okay? I just love her family. I love Khloe, I love Kylie. I can't help it, I'm sorry. I like to keep up with the Kardashians, just what it is. But I never really purchased their products. And just not my thing, yeah, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. But I really wanted to try her waist trainer. Now, the main reason why I wanted to try her waist trainer is because the reviews I read is that it's very comfortable, it is very soft, and after a few wears, you don't feel like you're suffocating, but you feel like it's still tightening you up at the same time. And it's bearable. That was my idea of purchasing her waist trainer. Now, I believe I purchased her waist trainer the last time she restocked. She just restocked and she just have a new one that just came out. That's like a tannish, beige kind of color. And I purchased the all black waist trainer and it was around $68, I believe. Around $60, $70 plus shipping and handling. So probably around 78 bucks. I don't want to be mistaken, but not too far from 80 basically for her waist trainer. Now, these are the reasons why I purchased her waist trainer. I purchased her waist trainer because I am sick and tired of buying waist trainers that are very leather, very tight grip, and it suffocates. And then after a while, the wire comes out on the sides and it scabs, it pokes, it do a lot more damage than a lot more good for like $19, $18, $20. And that's just me. Now, my reference, let me just show you guys how her waist trainer look on me, so then I'll go into more detail about her waist trainer. So this is Kim Kardashian's waist trainer. I had gotten a large. As you guys can see, it's really comfortable. Goes up towards the back. I'll try to show you my drawers, but it goes like a little bit towards the back and it stops like around here. It has 3 notches like the rest of the waist trainers, and I'm on currently the first notch. The material is very soft, it's very comfortable, it rolls not really, but just a tad bit depending on how many wears you guys use out of it, on my opinion. But it's really nice, it's really comfortable, and again, I had got a large. So this is how it looks under regular clothes. I love it because you can't really tell that I have a waist trainer on. It snatches you up. And it's really comfortable. You can wear it under dresses, you can wear it under regular clothes, you can wear it in the house, you can wear it at work, you can wear it when you go to the gym. Your preference, your choice. It's really, really comfortable, you guys. All right, so you guys just seen basically how the waist trainer looks on me. Again, I got in large on her waist trainer. Now, my suggestion when you order her waist trainer that you go exactly what your size is. I know usually with waist trainers you go a size down, but this waist trainer will loosen up on you, but it's just gonna snug you and be comfortable. So when you're wearing it, you still know you have a waist trainer on. It's not that comfortable to the point that you feel like it's not working, but it's comfortable to the fact that you can wear it for at least 12, 16 hours a day. Now that is a big difference with a waist trainer, and it's very comfortable. It's, I don't know how many times I'm gonna say it's very comfortable. It's really comfortable. One called Clay, and the one I had ordered was just a simple Onyx. Now her waist trainer are $68. Now the question of the day, is Kim Kardashian waist trainer worth $68? My honest opinion, it depends. All right, this is my opinion on Kim Kardashian waist trainer. If you have previously tried on multiple waist trainers and it just don't do the job for you, or it's just not comfortable, it basically stabs you a couple of times, the wire keeps coming off, it's too hot, it's unbearable, it's hard to put on, and you just feel like you wasted $19, $20. Yes, that's why I say it's worth it. Now, you never ever had a waist trainer, you have nothing to compare it to, then maybe $68 might be a little bit too pricey for you on that range. Or if you can afford it, then go ahead and get it. Might as well be good the first go around. But I feel like, yes, Kim Kardashian Skims is very worth it. I had, again, previous waist trainers that just don't do the trick for me, that just don't do the job for me, and I get mad, I get aggravated, I get frustrated, and then I'm sitting here at work or I'm sitting here at the gym and it's too hot, or it's too leather, or it's just too much. Then I just don't wear them, or again, the material ends up stabbing me multiple times, and I have scars from previous waist trainers. Like, I shouldn't get a scar from a waist trainer. I feel like you should purchase Kim Kardashian. Again, this is not sponsored, duh. But the reason why I feel like you should purchase Kim Kardashian waist trainer, one, is very comfortable. It is very easy to put on. Very easy. Like, you don't need no help. You don't need nobody to say, hold my stomach in. What? You don't need no assistance. You can put on yourself daily. 3, again, it's comfortable. Probably already said that. It's really comfortable. And you can wear it. You don't feel like you can't breathe. And it's kind of on the affordable range, but it's still affordable. I saw waist trainers that was like at least $150 from certain celebrities. I won't ever spend $100 ever on waist trainer. But it's also a dupe at Walmart, I think for like $19, $20, that I heard is pretty good. I never physically tried it. Maybe I'll end up buying it one day and I'll end up doing a comparison video on Kim Kardashian Skims and the Walmart dupe Skims version, just to give you guys a good comparison of what you guys should spend your money on, or maybe just so you can have a better idea of high end, not high end. Is it the same material? What's the difference? You know, we'll see. But if you guys like today's video, don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all next time. Peace.